بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 8. We are in model 7. Lesson 2 reflections. Today we want to continue our work in this lesson. We have extra practice. Who can read exercise number 1, please?
Can I read?
Yes, Sultan.
The graph of the trapezoid ABCD is shown. Graph the image of ABCD after a reflection across the x-axis. Write the coordinate of the reflected image.
Okay. So as you see here, we have the pre-image. And x-axis, this is the line of the reflection. This is the line of the reflection. How to find the image? How to find the image? Start from A. Count how many units. What is the distance between A and the line? We have 2 units. So take 2 units up. So this is A prime. Then this is B. How many units? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then count for 1, 2, 3, 4. D. We have here 2 units. Count here 2 units. And C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then match between the points. هلا write the coordinate of the reflected. A prime, as you see, minus 2 in the x, 2 in the y. So A prime minus 2, 2. B prime, we have minus 3 in the x and 4 in the y. And here D prime, we have 1 in the x, 2 in the y. And C prime, we have 2 in the x, 4 in the y. Who has any question about exercise number 1?
Mr. It's clear.
Okay, who can read exercise number 2?
Can I read, Mr.?
Okay, Abdullah.
The graph of angle ABC is shown. Graph the image of angle ABC after the reflection across the y-axis. Write the coordinate of the reflected image.
Thank you, Abdullah. The same idea, I have here the pre-image triangle, and we have the line of the reflection y-axis. This is y-axis here. So we want to find a reflection. Then we want to write the coordinate of the reflect image. So this is A. Count the distance between A and y-axis. We have 1, 2, 3. So continue 3 units. 1, 2, 3. So this is A prime. And here, from B to the y-axis, we have 1, continue 1, this is B prime, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, this is here C prime, now the coordinate A prime, as you see here in the X, we have a 3, and in the Y 2, so 3, 2, P prime, we have minus 1, minus 1, and C prime, we have here 4, minus 3. Who has any question about this exercise?
No questions.
Number 3, the same idea. Number 4, the same idea. Number 5, number 6, the same idea. Number 7 and 8. Number 9 and 10, the same idea. طيب. Here we have number 11. Who can read number 11?
So can I read?
What's your name?
Mr. Ganarit.
Mansoor.
Okay, Mansoor, start please.
The graph of DEF is shown. Graph the image DEF, the reflection across the line y equal to. Include the line of reflection, then write the coordinates of the image.
Thank you, Mansoor. So as you see here, across the line y equal to. Where is y equal to? This is 2. Then draw from here parallel line with x-axis. This is y equal to. Then find the distance. Find the distance between D and the line. We have 1 unit, so count here 1 unit. So this is D prime. From E to the line, we have 1, 2, 3. So count 1, 2, 3. This is E prime. And here 1, 2, 3. So count 1, 2, 3. So this is F prime. Now the coordinate D prime 1, 1. F prime. We have in the X 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the X and 3 in the Y. So 4, 3. And E prime. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 in the X. and the 3 in the y. So minus 3, 3. Okay, who has any question?
No questions.
Okay. طيب. Who can read exercise number 13?
Can I
Can I read, Mr.?
ممكن يا ريت.
Can I read, Mr.?
Okay, now we have Abdullah Al-Jabari, we have Sultan and Mansoor Rashid. I want different one. Who can read? Okay, Sultan, read please.
Polygon ABCD has a coordinate A1, 3, B4, 5, C negative 2, 6, and D negative 3, 4. The polygon is reflected across the x-axis. Write the coordinate notation for the reflection across the x-axis, then write the coordinates of the polygon ABCD prime.
Great. Here we can solve this question without graphing, because here we know x-axis. So we have the first point A. 1, 3. The reflection will be A prime. Keep the same x,
And
because here,
switch the y. Switch
yes,
the y.
because here we have x-axis. Then take the opposite of y, minus 3. And here we have B, 4, 5. So here we have B prime. Keep the same x, 4. And take the opposite of y, minus 5. Then here we have C, minus 2, 6. So C prime, keep the same x, minus 2, and take the opposite y, minus 6. Then we have D, minus 3, 4. So D prime, keep the same x, minus 3, and take the opposite of the y, will be minus 4. Who has any question about this idea?
No questions.
Okay. Number 14, the same. Number 15, the same. Number 16, the same. Right. Number 17. Who can read number 17?
ممكن يا ريت.
What is your name?
منصور راشد.
Okay, Mansoor.
The coordinates of ABC at its image are shown. Describe the transformation.
Okay, thank you. And as you see here, A and A prime, we have the same y. We have the same y. But x, we have the opposite x. So who can tell me what is the type of this transformation?
The type of this transformation is x-axis. The reflection is on x-axis.
X-axis or
No, no,
y-axis?
no, y-axis, because the same in the y side. 2, 2, and 3, 3, and 5, 5.
Okay. طيب, here in number 18, who can tell me?
On the x-axis.
So here we have x-axis. And number 19,
19 is on the
Y-axis.
x-axis.
X-axis.
Number 20.
Number 20 is on
X.
the y-axis.
Y-axis. Y-axis.
Okay. Who has any question about this exercises?
No questions.
Mister, it's clear all.
I think it's clear and easy, huh? No problem. Okay. Some students send me the message, the homework, like paper like this. They write here question 1, 1.1, question 2, 6.7, question 3, 4.1. طيب. Now I want to ask this student, is it this the homework as you see? This homework, graph and find the ordered vert or find the coordinate. So please, when I send to you any homework, be careful when you solve this homework because it's important for you. It's very important for you and it's very important for the exam. Okay. No questions?
No questions.
Okay. So this is our period for today. Thank you for your listening. Jum'a Mubarak. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.